Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best electric scooter under $500. I made this list based on my personal opinion and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and I've included options for every type of customer. So if you're looking for the best product money can buy, well, the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description below. And also make sure like, subscribe, and press bell icon for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Brand name, TeamGee. Model number, T103. The electric scooter comes with a dual brake system. The front wheel has EABS anti-lock system, while the rear wheel uses mechanical disc brake. The braking distance can be shortened to 4 meters, making your riding much safer. Powered by 18,650 lithium-ion battery pack with a battery capacity of 280 Wh and offering an overlong cruising distance of 30 kilometers. It adopts intelligent BMS battery management system. You can know the battery conditions through the app downloaded in your mobile phone. 6 protection functions: short circuit protection, overcurrent protection, overcharge protection, over-discharge protection, low voltage protection, and temperature anomaly protection. Kinetic energy recovery system. The electric scooter has a kinetic energy recovery system that converts kinetic energy into electric energy and offers a better battery life. Smart app. It can track your cycling habits, riding speed, battery life, etc. There are 4 LED lights displaying the battery capacity, which is easy to know the power quantity. 3 seconds quick folding design, stable and convenient. Brand name, Daybot. Model number, Hx66. Hx66 is a foldable electric scooter, a new choice of commute and casual going out. Powerful motor and large capacity battery ensure your trip perfect. With bigger headlights, highlight LED while light, escort the night and ride safer. The 200-watt power motor give 15 to 25 kilometers maximum range, 25 kilometers hour maximum speed, and 15-degree angle climbing. This scooter's maximum load 120 kilograms, net weight 9 kilograms, and charging time about 2 to 4 hours. Detachable battery safe to transport. Folding design with a lightweight body, convenient to store and portable to carry everywhere and use at any time. Bluetooth 4.0 technology with Bluetooth speaker, long standby, anti-slip tire, shockproof spring, and other features are waiting for you to explore. LCD data display screen in the handlebar showing riding data. Easy to fold and unfold, 65 into 12 into 25.9 centimeters folding size, 4 folding design, space saving and portable to carry. 5.5 inches solid rubber tire, with anti-slip texture, high road holding ability even on the slippery ground. Lightweight but tough aluminum alloy body, durable to use. Brand name, Kugu. Model number, M2 Pro. 8.5-inch pneumatic tire, taking into account the shock absorption and safety, riding more comfortable. The strong driving force, 350-watt motor, maximum to 30 kilometers running distance. Aviation-grade aluminum frame, the perfect balance between strength and weight. 3-speed mode to switch, control the speed with 1 key according to the different road surface conditions, which makes driving more comfortable and riding more security. Safety insurance, equipped with the double brake system, front electric brake, the rear wheel adopts a mechanical disc brake, the braking distance is as short as 4 meters, and the riding is safer. High-capacity battery, 7.5 ampere-hour, 18,650 high-capacity lithium battery which allows for a longer range and higher speeds. 3 seconds fast folding design, stable and convenient. Brand name, KUGOO. Model number, KIRIN ES2. 8.5-inch tire, taking into account the shock absorption and safety, riding more comfortable. It has a 7.5 ampere-hour high-capacity lithium battery which allows for a longer range and higher speeds. The strong driving force, 350-watt motor, maximum 25 kilometers running distance. Maximum supported weight 100 kg. Maximum speed 25 km/h and charging time 4 to 6 hours. Featured 3-level adjustable speed settings to meet your preferences. Download the app and pair your Kugu ES2E scooter via Bluetooth. It allows you to access controls on your fingertips, powering other mobile devices with a built-in USB port. The headlight consists of a wide array of bright LEDs allows safer rides during the night. LED strip on the side of the chassis allows riders to be seen in low lights. Comprehensive electric and disc brake system allows a safer ride. 3 seconds fast folding design, stable and convenient. 112 into 33 into 43 centimeters folding size, space saving, and portable to carry, easily cope with heavy traffic. Aluminum alloy plus ABS plus PC material provides sufficient insurance for your driving safety. Brand name, KUGOO. Model number, KIRIN S1. 8-inch honeycomb tire anti-skid tire, strong grip, wear resisting and safe. It's suitable for different kinds of roads. 3-speed running modes. You control the speed with one key according to the different road surface conditions, which makes driving more comfortable and riding more security. 1 key for speed control, 1 is for braking, and a monitor for you to check the control information. Strong power and running 25 kilometers, 350-watt motor, 25 kilometers running distance, 15 degrees steep angle. You could check the speed, mileage, time, power, stop, voltage, etc. information via the display screen. Bright red light to ensure your night riding safety. Front and back shock mitigation system can help you enjoy a comfortable riding. Help to get a tiny size when the scooter is folding. 3 different height to adjust: 930 mm, 1070 mm, 1160 mm. It could fit for different people.